Hello guys and welcome to another video, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel right now, and let's get started without wasting time. Let's say you have a big list of contact or any Excel sheet, and now you want to get the emails which has Gmail. Let's say you want to take out the Gmail, you know, contacts from out of this big list. So to do this, what you have to do is select the table, go to the data, and you have to select the filter. And inside the filter, you select the Gmail or any field. It says gmail.com, and you just have to say OK. Now you will see all the Gmail accounts comes up from the list. Now you can just simply copy or save as or create another sheet and paste it out. So you can see you get the Gmail accounts out of a big list of Excel sheet. And otherwise it also helps from your company or anything you want to search from your Excel sheet. So thank you so much. That's all for now. Take care.